Welcome, my heroes. This is the 7th lesson in chapter 2, get to 10 to subtract. What we're going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions. We need to get to 10 to subtract 13 minus 6. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. Okay, my heroes, please open your books page. This page is 77. So, go ahead everyone, open your books, page 77. And here, we have this question. How can you use the number line to find the missing number? 14 minus what number gives 10? Okay, let's see. It's the same question here. And to do this, we can move this cursor here back. So we can count back till 10. Let's count. Before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So now, how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's go back to the book and write the answer. So, here are my heroes. We start at 14. Where is 14 on the number line? This is 14. Okay, let's make it a little bit larger so we can see better. As you can see here with me, we have here 14. So we start at 14 and okay, we need to get down a little bit so we can see the question. As we said, we start at 14 and what should we do? We should count back to 10. So let's count back to 10. 1, 13, 12, 11, 10. Okay, now we land on 10. We need to count how many steps? As you see here, we did 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So 14 minus what number gives 10? 14 minus 4. Okay, and the question here is asking us, how can you use the number line to find the missing number? So, to answer this, we can write that we start at 14, then count back to 10. Okay, so go ahead, my heroes, write the answer. Okay. Okay, my heroes, please write quickly. You can stop the video and write if you didn't finish. And now I will move to the next page. So if you didn't finish writing, pause the video, click pause, and finish writing. Okay, Now let's move to the next page. And here in the next page we have this example here. Let's see it. I'll use this page. Okay, we need to subtract 15 minus 7. And the way that we can do this today, this is a new way. We will break the 7. So, my heroes, we break the 7. So, think of the 7 as 5 plus 2. So, simply on the number line, we start at 15. And we subtract 5 to get 10. Okay. Now we need to subtract 2 more. So we subtract 2 more. And we land on 8. So my heroes, again, to subtract 15 minus 7, we break the 7. 7 is 5 plus 2. So we start at 15 and subtract 5 to get 10. And when we get 10, remember, 7, we break it to 5 plus 2. So we need to subtract 2 more because 7 is 5 plus 2. So we subtract 2 more. So count back 2 more. So we land on 8. So 15 minus 7 equals 8. Okay, so my heroes, we start at 15. We subtract 5 to land on 10. Then we subtract more 2 because 7 is 5 plus 2. Now let's go back to the book. And it's written here. So let's start with the questions. And here, my heroes, we have the first question, 13 minus 6. So how can we think of this? Let's do the same. We can think of the 6 as, oh, remember, this is 13. 13. So we need 3 here. Okay, 6 is 3 plus what number? Of course, 6 equals 3 plus 3. Now, we subtract 10 minus the first 3 here. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Okay, not the first 3, my heroes, I'm sorry. This is the second 3. Okay, what about the first 3? Let's do with this again. Okay, I'll erase it. And now 13 minus 3, 13 minus 3 equals 10. Now we subtract the second 3. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So 13 minus 6 equals 7 also. Okay, let's do this one more time. We have here 8, 12 minus 8. So we break the 8. What number do we need? This is 12. So we need to subtract 2 to get 10. Now we have 10. And now back to the 8. 8 equals 2 plus what number? 8 equals 2 plus 6. So, let's do this again. Focus with me, my heroes. 8 equals 2 plus 6. Okay. And we subtract 12 minus 2 equals 10. So we write this number here, 6. Just subtract 10 minus 6. We get 4. And 12 minus 8 is the same answer, 4. So 10 minus 6 is the same as 12 minus 8. Okay, let's do this again. We have 14 minus 8. So we break the 8. What number do we need to take from the 8, to take from the 14 to make it 10? I need to make the 14 10. So I take 4. Okay, so I take 4. So this 14 minus 4 equals 10. Now, what number do we have left from the 8? We have another 4. So we need to subtract another 4 from the 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. And 14 minus 8 is the same as 10 minus 4. So we have the same answer, 6. Now, help me, my heroes. What number do we need to take from the 16 to make it 10? Yes, we need to take 6. So we take 6 from the 7. We take 6 from the 16 to make it 10. So the 7 here is 6 plus what number? What number do we have left from the 7? If we subtract 6 already, we need to subtract 1 more because 7 is 6 plus 1. 7 is 6 plus 1. Okay, I'll erase the 6 here. And now, because 7 is 6 plus 1, we take 6 from the 16 to make it 10. Then we take 1 from the 10. So the answer is 9. And as we said, these two equations, they have the same answer. These two subtraction equations have the same answer. So 16 minus 7 have the same answer. It has the same answer. So 9. Okay, my heroes. Please finish writing. Okay, if you didn't finish, please pause the video and finish writing. And now I'll erase it and move to the next page. Okay, let's see more questions. 12 minus 6. So we take 2 from the 6 and we have 4 left. So we need to subtract 12 minus 2 to get 10. And we write the 4 here. Okay, let's erase it so we can see it better. So now 12 minus 2 equals 10. And because 6 equals 2 plus 4, 2 and 4, we used the 2 already and we have 4 left. So 10 minus 4 equals 6 and 12 minus 6 equals the same answer, 6. Okay, again, 13. So take away 3 from the 13 to make it 10. 7 is 3 plus what number? 3 and 4 makes 7. So if we used already 3, we have left 4. 10 minus 4 equals 6, and 13 minus 7, the same answer, 6. Okay, here question 7. 15 minus 9. So we need to take away from the 15, take away 5. And 9 is 5 plus 4. So if we take away 5 from the 15 already, we need to subtract more 4. Okay, let's write this. We take away another 4. If we take already 5, so subtract 5 from 15 to make it 10. Then subtract another 4 to make it, yes, 10 minus 4 equals 6. So 15 minus 9 equals 6. In question number 8, 14 minus 6. Yes, we take away 4 from the 14 to make it 10. So take away 4 from the 14 to make it 10. What number should we take away also? What number should we subtract also? Remember, the 6 is 4 and 2. So we should take away another 2. 10 minus 2 equals 8. So these two equations, they have the same answer. 10 minus 2 equals 8. So 14 minus 6 equals the same answer, 8. Okay, now try to solve these questions, my heroes, the same way. I'm waiting for you. Go ahead, my heroes, solve questions 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Go ahead, my heroes. Okay, if you didn't finish solving, you can pause the video, and when you finish, play the video again and see your answer. Check your answers. I'll tell you the answers now. So let's go ahead. If you didn't finish, pause the video, and when you finish, play it again and continue to see your answers. Check them if they are correct or not. 13 minus 8 equals 5. Okay, 12 minus 4 equals 8. Great. Okay, 17 minus 9 equals 8. Okay, 15 minus 8, 7. 12 minus 7, 5. 13 minus 4, 9. Okay, my heroes, check your answers. If you have correct answers, so you did great. And now I need to erase this to move to the next part. So please, if you didn't finish writing, pause the video till you finish. And if you have finished, continue with me. Let's continue. I'll erase it and move to the next page. The next question. And the next question here. Oh, we're doing the same. In this question, (15) 12 minus 3. Yes, my heroes. 3 is 2 and 1. So we take away 2 to make it 10. Then take 1, so it's 9. The same for these questions. So try to solve questions 16, 17, and 18. Quickly, my heroes, try to solve. Okay, you should think of the 7, break it, We needed 6 and what number? Yes, 7 is 6 and 1. So we need to take away another 1 from the 10. So it's the same as 10 minus 1. So what is 10 minus 1? 9. Great. Okay, try to solve question 17 and question 18. Go ahead. Okay, I'll continue. If you didn't finish, pause the video. If you have finished, continue with me and check your answers. 14 minus 9 is 5, so 5 equals 14 minus 9. And here, 12 minus 9 yes, 3. So 3 equals 12 minus 9. Check your answers, my heroes. Okay. And now let's see question 19. How can you get to 10 to find 13 minus 5? Think, my heroes. Yes, break the 5. I need 3. So 3 and 2. So start by taking the 3 from 13. 13 minus 3 equals 10. And what number also should we subtract? 2. So 10 minus 2. Excellent. So the correct choice here is 10 minus 2. Okay, great work, my heroes. And now I want you to go to Classera and open assignments. You will find the assignment with this name, the name of this lesson. The name should be Get to 10 to Subtract and solve it. In Classera, assignments, you will find the name of the lesson, Get to 10 to Subtract, open it and solve it. Okay, thank you, my heroes. See you and goodbye.